Hi everyone, back with another review on the Samsung Buds2 Pro. I have the Apple AirPods Pro 2, and I thought it would only be fair to do a comparison against their biggest competitor, Samsung. So I decided to pick up a pair of the Galaxy Buds 2 Pro, and here we go. Just cut open the box there and opening it up. I like this little case, matte black look. It looks really good, and the earbuds also look very good. I wish AirPods Pro would come out in matte black, but the case is kind of a fingerprint magnet. I have greasy hands, greasy chonky hands, and sadly, it's a fingerprint magnet. I like the buds. They fit decently in the ear, but they're not a perfect fit in my opinion. These charge with a USB-C cord, and the cord that it came with is C to C. And there's an indicator light when they do charge on the case. There's also a little indicator on the inside of the case as well. So I saw that Pokemon released a limited edition case for this pair of earbuds, and I just couldn't resist. So I saw that there was some on eBay and I ordered one. It's called the Pokemon Monster Ball case, and it's actually amazing. Opening the box here. It also came with a little Pokemon sticker, which I appreciate. It's kind of fun. And the case is perfectly fitted to the Samsung Buds 2 Pro case. And the bottom of the Pokemon ball is weighted. So when you put it together, it has a satisfying click. And then the weight of the Pokemon ball makes it have a little rock as though you caught a Pokemon. Here's a little demo. Definitely not very practical to carry around that Pokemon ball with you, but I guess if you're a true diehard fan, go ahead. I wanted to show that on iOS, Samsung removed the Samsung Wearables app from iOS, so you cannot adjust these earbuds on iPhone at all, and you can also not reset them. In the Apple App Store, there is only one app now, the Samsung Galaxy Buds app, which does not list these earbuds, only the older generations, which sucked. Why do they only support the older ones but not the brand new one? Very odd. Once I paired them to my iPhone, the battery died within 15 minutes and I couldn't reset them to manufacturer settings. They got very hot when they charged, and I wondered if the battery was cooked because the battery just kept dying after 15 minutes. So I ended up returning them. Very sad. Samsung has made this experience for iOS users worse than the reverse, I would say. So I bought a Google Pixel 6a for this channel just to do more reviews and review them from the Android perspective. I thought it would only be fair. So here's a little unboxing and crispy audio. I will get another pair of Samsung Buds 2 Pro to give a fair review with Android, but overall I would say this has been a very bad experience for iOS users with Samsung Buds 2 headphones. Now that I have an Android, I'll also get the Google Pixel Buds Pro as well to test those out. I'm excited to really dive into the audio game. Please subscribe if you like my channel, if you're interested in following along. Every video I'm trying to improve, and I appreciate your support. Thanks, y'all.